Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I am Atul, and in this video we are going to discuss about the today function in Excel. Today function is one of the most frequently used functions in Excel, and this Excel today function returns the current date and it gets updated continuously when a worksheet is changed or opened. The today function takes no argument and you can format the value returned by the today with a date number format. And the purpose of this today function is to get the current date and return the value in an Excel date format. So whenever you have to get the exact current date of your system in a particular cell or within a particular formula, then you can use this today function. So let me show you how we can do that with our first example. So the first example is to get today's date in cell below. So what I can do is that I can simply put equal to today, and in this function we don't have to give any argument, so we'll just put a set of parentheses here and then we will press enter. Today is 6th March 2022, and with this today function I am getting the correct date in my Excel cell. So this today function returns the current date and it will continuously update each time when the worksheet is opened, or you can press F9. So I am pressing F9 in my system, but it doesn't changes because the date till 12 in the morning, the date won't change, right? So whenever you will open your worksheet after saving this sheet, and when you close this sheet, after that when you open this particular sheet and the date has changed, then the cell value will change automatically. So this worksheet will recalculate and update this value. The today function can be used on its own or combined with multiple other functions. Like you can use this function with text formula or some other date and time function, as well as some conditional formula like if. So let me show you one simple example that how you can use this today function with text function to return a message like the current date is this particular date. So let me do that. Okay, so I'll put equal to, I'll put text. Within this text I will put today, okay, and then I will put my format text. So I'll put double D dash 4 times M dash 4 times Y. Now if I close this bracket and press enter, you can see that I'm getting my date in another format as compared to this one. So I'm getting 6th March 2022 written properly. Now what I have to get is that I have to return a message saying that the current date is this. So what I can do is that I can simply put equal to concatenate. Within this concatenate I'll put today, or let's put the current date is, and then at last I will close the bracket. So with this concatenate function and this text function, I have used this today function to get a message or to return a message something like this, that the current date is 6th March 2022. Now let's get into some of the more realistic example. So our second example is to use today function to get the number of days left for the payment. Okay, so what we have to do is that we have to find out how many days is left for a payment with these type of payment type. So whenever you are living, that you have to pay rent, you have to pay electricity, you have to pay internet bill, phone bill, cable bill, you have to pay for Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hotstar, you have to pay your food bill and water bill. So you have a particular date here that this is the payment date, and if you do not want to miss this payment date, you have to set a reminder in your Excel saying that okay, whenever I open this Excel sheet, I want to know that how many days are left for this payment and what should be my last day of payment. So this is the last day of payment, and based on today's date you need to know how many days are left. To do that, you will simply put equal to today. Okay, this will give you the current date, and then you will put minus this payment date. Okay, so Excel is showing me dates and times that are negative or too large are shown as this hash. So let me change the format here to number. Okay, I'm getting -4, and the reason for that is that I have used today first, which should be my second argument, not the first argument. So I have to take this B13 as my first date and minus it with today. So now I'm getting 4 days. For me, 4 days are left to pay the rent. What about the electricity or the internet bill? Okay, if I drag this formula, for electricity it's same, that 4 days are left. For internet bill it's 9 days are left. For phone bill I have 4 days to pay my rent or pay my bill. Similarly, if I drag this formula till down, so I have 6 days to pay my cable bill, 3 days to pay my Netflix, 9 days to pay my Amazon Prime bill, 9 days same for Hotstar, 24 days are still left for me to pay my food bill, and 7 days is left for me to pay my water bill. So this is how you can use this today function to get the current date in your Excel, and this today function can be used with multiple formulas, or it can be used by its own or combined with other formulas to get your output based on your requirement.